Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to be making this Timeless Patchworks Journal Folio. This folio is from the Citrus Journal Subi shop. Here are the final pieces that are included in this folio. So the Timeless Patchworks, this folio is part of the collection of the Timeless Patchworks journal papers that is available in the shop. I will include the link in the description below. This folio is an extension of the Timeless Patchworks journal papers. Starting with the assembly, I am going to go ahead and fold along these lines. So this is going to be the front flap. And this is the main panel. The blue page that you see on that's going to be the panel A. And the neutral part of that main panel is the panel B. And here these both are the top and the bottom flaps. So let's start now. I'm just going to go ahead and stitch the flaps together. To the panel B, I'm going to stitch this front flap over onto the left side, like so, and I have the top and the bottom flaps. On the same panel B, I'm going to include these two top and bottom flaps. I'm just going to go ahead, use my sewing machine and complete this. Here I have done stitching the flaps together. So this is the folio over here. It's almost assembled. Now I've also done some additional work on some of the ephemera and the pockets. And this is going to be the cover page. We are just going to cover the attached parts. So I'm going to apply glue and stick this cover page on top of the panel B, so that I can just hide all of those attachment areas that you see. Making sure everything is folding good and adding some inking. And this is the assembly. We are done with the main skeleton over here. Let's start adding a few pockets. I'm just arranging these pockets to see how I want to stick them. And I've got the placements corrected over here, so I'm going to go ahead and stick these pockets to the folio. Here is the final folio after attaching all of the pockets. Now I'm going to start decorating. I'm just using this mesh fabric to attach these labels. This round cut that is included in the pack, I have reduced the size to 1 inch. And I'm going to add that for the closure of the folio. I'm just going to add an eyelet over here and add a rope so that I can close the folio and it can be held together. Now I'm going to start adding tags in ephemera. I've already added a few details to some of these ephemeras, and I will also add a few more, like adding an eyelet or even like lace details to a little bit of these ephemera and tags, and I will complete the folio now. After rearranging all of the tags in ephemera, here is the final reveal of this Timeless Patchworks Journal Folio. So the theme for this Timeless Patchworks was originally about like adding vintage fabric and old papers and letters together, creating like a patchwork. And I have created this folio along with it with the journal papers, so you can take a look of the Timeless Patchworks journal papers that is available in the shop. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to join my newsletter, and you can also follow me on Instagram. Like and comment on this video. I will see you soon in another video. Bye bye.